day, my name is Alero Thompson. I am the founder of Sound Hand Nigeria. Sound Hand Nigeria is an educational institution that is located in Kaduna State. Sound Hand Nigeria provides basic education and vocational skills to young girls in the community that were deprived of attending school. 65% of young girls in Kaduna State do not complete their primary education because of the position they hold in their family. In Kaduna State, it is believed that whatever you invest in any female child, this female child will be married to somebody else, and when you get married to that person, whatever you invest in this girl will be invested in that other person. So many parents do not want to train their daughters. Sound Hand Nigeria have discovered that the only way to bring this girl back, to close the gap between the uneducated girls and the educated girls, is to create basic educational skills for this girl via vocational skills. How do we do it? We call onto these girls, we bring them to our centers, we teach them basic literacy like mathematics and English, and we teach them baking, sewing, knitting, and dressmaking. This has helped to put food on the table. Right now, as I'm speaking, if Sound Hand Nigeria is given the opportunity to come out in Kaduna State, will spread across states in the north, not only in Kaduna State, because it is believed in the north that girls are not supposed to be trained. I have opportunity of being in that kind of shoes before. I grew up in a family of 10. I have 7 older brothers, and I was the only daughter. I knew how I was regarded in the family because I was a girl. I fought my way to the top. So if Sound Hand Nigeria is given the opportunity to bring young girls back to school, then Nigeria will be a better place. I believe that if you train a girl, she will in turn train her children, and at the long run, education of young girls and in northern states will be increased. How am I going to do it? I intend to gain funds and also to work with non-governmental NGOs, with Kaduna State Scholarship Board, to provide scholarship for those girls that still want to continue their secondary school education. And I believe in 2010, I believe in 10 years from now, these girls I'm training will also in return be great businesswomen and also train others that are coming up. Sound Hand Nigeria has come to create a new footnote for these girls, to give them their self-pride, to bring back their self-worth by creating basic education and vocational skills. Sound Hand Nigeria has come to impact skills upon these girls that will make them face global challenges. In Nigeria today, nobody will want to admit a 16-year-old girl in primary school, and this is where Sound Hand Nigeria comes in. Thank you.